In this video, we're going to fill in a value on a pictogram. Now, what's meant by a pictogram is just a visual way of showing the frequencies for different values. And what I mean by a frequency is just how many we have of each item. So the question talks about the times in seconds spent by 31 pupils to answer a question on Dr. Ross Maths. So, for example, if we had a time of 5 seconds, which would be very quick, this is showing how many students took that long for the question. And we have a key here at the bottom. And what the key does is show us what each one of these symbols, each book in the pictogram, is worth. So each book is worth 2 people, right? Now it tells us for the pupils who took 4 seconds, that's the 4 seconds here, there were 9 pupils. So this frequency here is 9. But in a pictogram, we don't put the frequencies in as numbers, we put them in as symbols. Now we're told that each book symbol represents 2 pupils. So how many little book symbols would we need if we wanted to represent 9 people? Well, let's think how many lots of 2s we need. And that will tell us the number of books that we need. So we're going to have a 2. So we're going to have 2 people. And then another 2 people, that gets us up to 4 people. And then another 2 people, that gets us up to 6 people. Then another 2 people, that gets us up to 8 people. But we need to represent 9 people, so we need an additional 1 person. And we'll think about how we can represent that using a symbol. Now, these first 2 people, we can draw a book for that because a book represents 2 people. Then we have another book symbol for the next 2 people. And then another book symbol for the next 2 people. And then another book symbol for the next 2 people. And then we only want to represent 1 person now. Now, a full book would be worth 2 people. So if we drew half a book, that would just represent 1 person, wouldn't it? So we're going to draw half a book like that. And that will be the completed pictogram here. We don't need these numbers anymore. So I'm going to rub out these numbers here to just leave the book symbols. So just to summarize, each book is worth 2 people, so we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, and that would give you 9 people. So how many book symbols do we have? Full book symbols, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 full book symbols, and we used 1 half book symbol, so that's going to be 1 there, and that's the final answer.